Hello, and welcome to Nesodden. I can't say it right. Norwegian is like super hard. It's a peninsula, about a 30-minute boat ride from Oslo. Norwegian language, it's in the hopeless category for me, along with a lot of other languages, such as Turkish. But I have arrived. It is a whole different ballgame here on the peninsula. Very quiet, very calm. I've got an Airbnb here for 3 nights, and I'm on the way to Oxclav Beach. It's important to keep in mind it is June and the weather is basically perfect, so this is probably really cold and under snow a lot of the year, but this is definitely more my style. I can already hear the beach, which isn't usually a good sign. A lot of families and screaming children. And look at these houses. The wood house and grass on the roof. I noticed that checking into my place, there's like grass all over the roof. I'm sure that's to winterize it or make it, you know, hold up to the weather better in those hard winters. But wow, look at that. Those carvings there on the balcony. Beautiful house. And there's another and another. Wow. And look at the siding on this house. That looks like it's all done by hand. It's not like perfect, you know? Oh boy. Not really what I want. Let's pray there's something up here that is the opposite of that. You know, can't a guy just find a peaceful place to swim? What a mess. Man, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna happen. Let's see. So usually at a horrible beach situation like that, if you just walk 5 minutes, you can find your own little zone, but I don't know, this is Norway. I don't know what's private property, what's not. Like if these little dock things are. Look at that. Imagine that in winter. Yeah, it's looking private. Looking a little private. Plus the water is like gnarly right there. Ugh. Are there places to swim down here? Or
Sorry?
are there places to swim down here?
Yeah. I mean, these houses are private bathhouses.
Ah, okay.
But you're allowed to go in between.
Right there.
Right there.
Okay.
Or there,
maybe if I keep going, I'll find a nice spot.
Yeah,
somewhere like peaceful or whatever. less screaming.
You can go.
Okay.
I'm not sure either. We don't have any of these
right.
bathhouses, but
these are bathhouses.
yeah.
Like bath, like
so you can swim from here.
Oh, okay.
Just enjoy
just for the summer.
Yeah.
I see. Well, I don't want to trespass or anything.
But no, but it's everyone is allowed to.
Okay.
You know,
I can just keep walking if I want.
I think so, because there's something called allemannsretten in Norway,
like everyone
so that
can
everyone
do whatever.
can go down
I'm
down
welcome.
by the beach. Yeah. So
okay, maybe around that corner
people
though.
might look into
Okay. I'll
And my daughter is here.
I see.
We just took a dip there and.
All right. Thank you. Hello. It's okay. Okay. Thank you. Well, we just keep on going. Or not. There's a giant fence here, so into the road. But looks like I definitely can swim, which is the most important thing. Well, she said you can just keep going, so I'm going to go with her advice, and even though this is here, just try to find a nice spot to swim here. So you heard the woman, a very nice woman, she said those are bathhouses, so it's just for the summer to come and swim. So no winter action for those things. Oh boy. Looking better. Well, once you get past this seaweed or sea plant stuff, should be okay. I was swimming yesterday at a place called Ook, and there was a jellyfish there, so they are around. It's Oslo, baby. Amazing city. No screaming kids. Let's get in this murky, plant-infested water next to a Norwegian bathhouse. The problem with these plants, I can't see what's in them, if there's anything like a sea anemone or some shit I don't want to have poking me in there, but there's no other real option here, so kind of just slowly gonna feel it out. Okay, so far just plants, so. Oh yeah. Woo! Perfect temperature. Oh man, amazing. This is the Oslo fjord. But it's kind of like lake water and just like a little bit salty. So it is seawater, but I don't know why it's not very salty. It's totally fine once you get out past the murk here and the sludge. Definitely a good experience swimming in Norway. And I think the main beach over there is starting to quiet down. It doesn't really get dark here until like after midnight, and then I think it's light again around 3:30 in the morning. So we're not above the Arctic Circle, so it's not full like 24-hour sunlight, but we're not far from it. So it is weird, like you'll wake up at 3 or 4 in the morning and you'll see like sun coming through the blinds. So definitely a new experience. I've never been this far north, so this is the furthest north I've ever been in my life, and man, it is definitely a beautiful place, and it makes me want to travel more throughout Scandinavia in the summer. Of course, I don't do the parka. Still a lot of kids. Ugh. According to Norwegian law, anyone can go anywhere, so not looking to test that out really, but definitely gonna try to find a nice spot as usual. Alright, more bathhouses. Hello. Hello. I know. Keep an eye on me, Mama. Not gonna do anything. Wow, they all have babies. Look at that. Wow. I guess it's a duck or something? It's not really like a duck. Look at, they all have their little babies. I know, I won't get any closer. You guys don't worry about it. Hello. It's okay passing. Passing through is okay?
Passing through is okay, but I think the end...
It stops there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I'll just turn around then.
Yeah.
There's so many screaming kids over there. So as you can see, that guy wasn't really... he laughed at the end there, but he wasn't really into me being here. So, turning around.